I am so excited to launch my Fashion School with Nick Verrieos, VIP Access. So, if you've enjoyed my YouTube tutorials, then you're gonna love my new complete online course. In my first course, I guide you through the most fundamental fashion lesson. What is that? The basic bodice. I show you how to drape and cut your basic bodice, transfer your drape onto pattern paper, how to properly fold your darts for truing, making sure that all your seams match, balancing your pattern, notching your pattern, proper cutting techniques, as well as cutting your bodice in muslin, and finally, proper sewing and pressing of your basic bodice. This fundamental course offers a step-by-step approach to the draping process. Now, each module is thoughtfully designed, of course, because I designed it, much like chapters in a comprehensive textbook, guiding you through the entire process, but done in a way that you will totally understand. Learn anywhere, anytime, for a fraction of the cost of a class at a fashion university. Whether you're an amateur sewer, a budding designer, or maybe you're a student at a fashion university, if you're someone who's always wanted to learn how to drape or create your very own patterns, you have come to the right place. Think of Fashion School with Nick Verrieos as having your very own top-notch tutor, me, without the need of attending a traditional fashion university.